Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the 3-finger screenshot gesture on your Motorola Edge 60 Neo. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and enable it in the settings. Once you're in the settings, you should go over into the gestures. They're right here. And now what are we going to do is we're going to go to on-screen gestures and 3-finger screenshot. It should be enabled by default, but if it's not, if it's like this, then you want to turn it on. And now what you guys want to do is press 3 fingers until you hear a screenshot sound. As you guys can see, we are taking a screenshot. It works just fine. We can crop it. Now we can crop it like this, for example. We can save it. And the picture has been saved. So that's how you guys can use the 3-finger screenshot. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.